And then Ronnie's dad caught this fish, and the fish came out of the water, and I pulled the boat all the way across the lake.
Timmy, you're fibbing again. What have I told you about fibbing?
If I fib, I won't get my man hair.
Exactly. I'm gonna order us a pizza. What do you want on it?
I want peppers and mushrooms, and I want sausage and pepperoni, and I want extra sausage and cheese.
Timmy, you know you can only have one topping after you take in your Ritalin. And no meat.
Mom, mushrooms.
Okay, I'm going to go order. You stay and watch the pizza man.
Okay. Sneezed all over the pizza, and then he spit on it, and then there was spit on it, and he put it in the oven.
Everything looks fine to me. Timmy, are you making up stories again?
No, Mom, I swear. He spit on it, and then he sneezed.
Do you want to be an honest Harry or a bad Baldy?
An honest Harry.
Better. I forgot to order strings. How about a pitcher of Coke?
Okay. He shook his head and all his dandruff came out, and then he took his shoe off and put what was in his shoe on the pizza, and then he started cooking it.
Timmy, do you need to see Dr. Stanky again this week?
No!
Because he's got plenty of calm-down shots.
No!
Okay, now we either get loony sticks or bread rods free with this. Which one do you want?
Loony sticks.
Okay.
There's a dancing cowboy clown, and then he came in front of the pizza man, and then the pizza man shoot him away.
Timmy, you're not even trying, are you?
Mommy, I saw it across my heart and hoped to die.
I know a little boy who isn't going to get any quarters for the Sergeant Neckbreaker video game and back.
It'll be good then, but...
Okay.
Cowboy clown!
He's not doing anything.
I saw it, There he goes! Mommy, there he goes!
Oh, my. Oh. You see, Timmy? The dancing cowboy clown was just a bag of cheese.
I guess so.
Okay.
On the pizza, and then he put him in the oven, and he's cooking them.
Timmy, would you just stop it now? Please, come sit down and eat.
Mommy, there's a head on the pizza!
Just pick off the parts you don't like.
I don't want a head on my pizza!
It's over 47,000.
But because of the hydraulics involved, it shuts as easily as your own door at home.
And it's twice as funny.